The pressure equipment 980 series is designed to pump directly from the original container greases, silicones, solder paste, and all kinds of high or very high viscosity fluids. During the design and development process, our engineering department has listened attentively to our customers and has focused all its efforts on obtaining a product capable of responding to all the needs transmitted by them. The result is a high-quality and reliable product, always ready to provide the best performance in all the production process. A product that avoids fluid overflow, keeps the working area safe and clean, and besides, it's handy and easy to work with. All this thanks to the innovative inflatable seal assembled on the follower plate. The inflatable seal expands by a compressed air pressure, which is controlled and automatically set during all the descent movement to adapt perfectly to the inner diameter of the drum. It doesn't matter whether it's a cylindrical or tapered drum. The pressure equipment 980 series has the most advanced technology, avoids fluid overflow, consumes all the fluid in the drum, and guarantees the safest and healthiest working area for the factory personnel.